see all the bread, and I know it make you wonder, don't you? Ooh, I ain't surprised at all. Seen them rise and fall. Went up the mountain, it wasn't hard to climb at all. At the top, I found some relief. I finally got some peace. Carry on, but please don't mess up the mood. Yeah, I worked too hard for it. No,
Out here with Phil, we got Phil Jones, Filthy Phil, Mountain Creek Bike Park, about to see what it's all about. Y'all been hyping it up too much, so I'm about to just roast it into oblivion for you. Give it a pace down. What do you think? This way's the right way?
I think so. Get out of there.
Pretty flowy. Some pretty decent flow. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, that was a good trout corner. Lots of pedaling here. Seemed like some pretty decent flow there. This way?
I don't know.
Ooh, I think y'all are going the wrong direction.
Thanks, guys.
No, I think these guys are going the wrong way, but I don't know. I have no idea what the trail directions are. The signage out here, Phil.
Yeah, a bit confusing. There's a lot of different ways to go, but you know, we're trying to figure it out up here at Mountain Creek.
Trying to figure it out. That's the best way to put it. And that's with nice words. That was sick, yeah. You know what this actual trail reminds me of? V Hollow. Yeah. Who is this guy?
They're wrong at the time because they just don't know. They honestly just don't know, you know what I mean?
Phil.
Patrick.
Patrick, right? Yeah, man.
This is Andrew.
Yeah.
What's going on, dude? You're here.
This is Evan.
I know Evan. What's
Wait,
up,
what's your
dude?
name? Dave. Patrick.
These trails are pretty fun, dude, but the signage is horrible.
I like those ones coming in.
Yeah. Those berms were like, I hope we get more of those berms because they look perfect to just slap them. Here's some tight turns between the trees. Out in the sun, it reminded me just like V Hollow. Super loose.
Right, yeah, for sure.
Old Boozy. Oh. Oh. That was sick. I feel like I was having a speed check the whole time though. This place is so confusing.
Yeah, bad.
Yeah. That was a good one.
The last one, that last one was good.
Yeah, it was.
The start was good too.
I tried. Yeah. Oh. I wish there were more features though, that's it. Like more trail gaps and stuff. That's all I want. I said the only way for me to get faster is to follow the fastest person in Charlotte.
Yeah, right.
I don't trust it. Off camber loose.
Oh yeah, we were riding it the whole time.
God, Phil is gone. Whew, you left me, dude. You were hauling. That was sick. This way? I guess we're following Phil. You know where you're going?
No. That way in this way.
Both ways of the parking lot?
This one too, yeah.
Race lines. Phil loves riding on some blown up shocks.
Yeah, man.
Oh, yeah?
I mean, it's working good, dude.
It means you're riding it like it should be.
That's right.
Final thoughts out here from Mountain Creek. It's pretty sick. A lot of miles. To me, it's like if Sherman or Whitewater Center had a baby. Personally, I'm not going to drive an hour to get out here. It's not anything different from whatever else we have in Charlotte. But if you're over here, check it out. It's pretty sick. The only thing that I say is really, really bad about this place is the signage. And I don't care who you are. If you say it's decent, if you got around, that's fine. But most people don't get around, and that part was a failure in my opinion. But everything else is pretty sick. It's a lot of fun, a lot of flow. Had a good time. I wish there were more features, but that's all right. But yeah, signage needs to be better. Takes some getting used to, but pretty cool.